Hey everyone, Trish Davies, international.com. I am here to share with you some home office renovation ideas. And if you want some updates, daily updates, business tips, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and you will receive my YouTube updates when I produce my videos. So, home office renovation ideas. The reason I'm sharing this in a video today is because of my recent move from New South Wales, Australia, down here to Tasmania. I've got a house that needs a lot of attention, a lot of work, a lot of renovation, something that I am okay with. That's something that I do with real estate, and I've been doing that for a long time now. So I sort of can look past some of the old dated features. This is a 70s house, and as long as I've got the right layout and the right footprint, I can look past all of that, all of those dated features, and know what I can create and what I can produce. One of the biggest reasons I purchased this house, this was over a year and a half ago, and it was a rental property for a year and a half. But one of the biggest reasons I purchased it was because of this big space out the back. And what I'm going to do is just going to swing around here, and I'm going to show you this huge space here. And you can see the amazing brick featured wall. It's a solid brick wall there, so it's not even a feature, it's actually a solid brick wall. I was looking here at the local hardware store, and to buy sort of a fascia which is sort of half a brick on a piece of board that you can stick on as a feature, was $100 per square meter. So lots of value there in this, and it goes around the corner as well here, which you can see. Okay, so, you know, it's an amazing space, and there is a bathroom as well behind that door. It joins to the house through that door there. So this is incredible, an incredible space, and I could utilize it for many things, for an Airbnb space, for a permanent rental. All it requires is a small kitchenette to go in. The bathroom's operation, it needs updating. And it's all cosmetic, so there is a toilet, shower, and a vanity unit in there, and there is a wardrobe. So around the corner here, if we just there is a wardrobe, and there is its own separate water heater, you can see tucked away in that big cupboard. So you could place a bed here, which I am going to. There's enough room, space for a lounge, television. And you could quite easily put a very small kitchenette in this corner here. So great for visitors, guests coming to visit. Fantastic for a home office. That's where I'm going to sort of take this space now, because at the moment my office is sitting in the lounge room. So home office renovation ideas. It's in the beginning stages. I've ripped up all the carpet. All that's there now is this horrible powdery sort of underlay that is stuck hard to the concrete slab that is down. I've got some click-lock flooring that's going to go right the way across. It's beautiful. It's like a whitewashed, bleached, whitewashed sort of grey colour, white and grey colour flooring, textured, looks like timber. At the moment, you can see the undercoat on the paneling. That's solid timber paneling there, but it was too dark, way too dark for this room. I need a very light, bright room for videoing and for Zoom webinars. And for my coaching, I'm a personal brand coach, and I'm constantly on webinars because my business is international. So I need a light, airy space for me to be able to do my work. And so I have painted the beams. You can see the beams, they're a chocolate brown, undercoated that. So there's 2 coats of paint yet to go on to those walls. The brick will become the feature, which is lovely. It's going to be amazing. And I've got some blinds going in, and yeah, so I'll slowly share with you the progress that I make in this home office, and would love for you to comment below on your home office renovation ideas. That would be amazing. And if you like this video, I'm going to share another 2 videos here. That's me, TrishDaviesInternational.com, a life of freedom and choice. Bye everyone.